I don't see her underneath the tree.
No, she ain't there.
No, good.
Oh, there goes the dog, though.
Oh,
Hey, where you go?
oh, there you are. How do you manage to get in all these pictures of the trees falling down? Let's see, can we find the...
Yeah, that one.
Right there.
Yeah, that's the baby. Ain't that amazing? It didn't hit the house, man.
I know. It had to flip over and roll around for this to end up... Oh, she's slipping. She's slipping. What do you think, bad boy?